How's it going, everybody? I'm John McMillan with MarineMax Norwalk, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2025 Boston Whaler 21 Vantage. This 21 Vantage is a great family cruising boat with plenty of seating space and cushion. It's also a great fishing boat with rod holders displayed throughout the stern, the transom, port side, and starboard side of the boat. Now at the stern of the boat, as you can see, you have a 225 V6 Mercury powering this boat, getting it on plane quick with a great top speed. Right here, this flips up so your ladder sticks out when you enter the boat. Guys, another thing I want to point out that Boston Whaler did such a good job with is on the stern of the boat, when you're entering, you have a long entry platform, all flush. All the cabinets are flush, won't stub your toe on anything. If this seat is down, you walk in and it's a very shallow, small step. So you're not jumping into a boat. It's a nice gradual way to enter it. Down here, you actually have your salt water hose here with two drains in the gully that just run straight out. You also have your gas cap here. Now with a lot of boats, gas cap, you see it on the side where you can have your gas running down the side of the boat into the water. Boston Whaler wanted to keep that out and they put it right in the stern, which is a fantastic feature. Another feature on the stern, ladies and gentlemen, it is shower time. You have a freshwater hose right here. Wash yourself down, wash out the cockpit, the cushions, side of the boat, anything you want. And guys, Boston Whaler really thought about everybody for this boat. As I said, it is a great fishing boat and family cruising boat. This boat has 14 cup holders, great for lounging around, bringing the family out. It's also great for fishing because you have a live bait well right here. Plenty of space in there. Also doubles as a cooler, personal preference, whatever you want to use it for. Now this live bait well slash cooler sits underneath my favorite part of the boat, which is a stern facing lounger. But if you come around here, you lift the lounger up, it lays totally flat, great sunbed, and you could rest your head against the head pad, or you could sit back up on it. For reference, I'm 6'1", and I say I fit pretty comfortably. Plenty of room here. Father and son, looking out at the kids' tubing. Great area. Now speaking of the head, for this sun pad that leans against it, this head has plenty of room inside. As you can see in here, you have plenty of space, and when this head door swings out, there is a magnet right here against the console, so it'll stick there and it won't move. A little feature I do want to share as well, Boston Whaler thought everything through. You will not run over your foot with this. And I've been on plenty of boats where you stub your toe in a swinging door and it is not fun. So Boston Whaler also thought of that. Now this head down here, Boston Whaler made it so you don't have to dismantle it once you do your business. There is a pump that runs up to the bow of the boat that just pumps right out, just like a porta potty. As you can see, you have your classic Boston Whaler steering wheel. You have your throttle right next to you. You've got the active trim tab right here with the on-off switch. In the console as well, you have a gully with a little drain on it, so any water that gets in runs out. You can put your phone, keys, anything you want in here. You have two chargers here. Again, two cup holders. You got your JL audio radio, gauges right up front, nice big SIMRAD display with your compass right above it. And you've got this SIMRAD radio as well. All right, so making your way through the alley to go to the bow of the boat, you do have a door here that separates you from the bow to the cockpit. You also have storage entry right down here. Now alongside, inside of this storage, you have a long bar. That is actually your ski bar that you could attach to the stern of the boat. You also have several rod holders in here with rubbering around the outside so they hold down when you're on the move. Right here, you have your classic Boston Whaler trash pail. You just stick it right in there, throw your trash in there, super handy. Now over here on the bow, beautiful cushioning that runs flush color scheme along the bow. Plenty of seating area, tons of room, got your grab rails on the side. Now this storage I was talking about right up here in the console actually has dual access to it. So it swings up, as you can see, that's where your rod holders are, and that long bar is your ski bar for the stern. Okay everybody, that is it for your 2025 Boston Whaler 21 Vantage. If you have any questions, please call this number below. And like always, my friends, have a good day.